Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link an Android device with a Chromebook. So if you have both Android phone and also a Chromebook, you can link or connect the two devices by following this step. So go to the settings on your Android phone and here click on the Bluetooth and devices menu and scroll down and you'll find this option Chromebook. So you can see the current status, my phone is not linked into any Chromebook. So if you want to link it, just click on this option, and this is my account and this is my phone. And here, if you link the device, you can send a text message from your computer, use your phone's internet connection, and unlock both devices more easily. So the feature may vary by device. So to link your device, go to your Chromebook setting. So here you cannot do it on the phone, but you need to open the Chromebook, and after that you can link it with your phone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.